Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we've got a little update video on the little James Hutchinson's case. We got some good news today. His mom, Brittany Gosney, was back in court today, and as I understand it, so was her boyfriend, James Hamilton. So here is what the article says. It says, breaking, mother of missing James Hutchinson pleads guilty to murder. And in quotes, I give up. The mother of a 6-year-old boy presumed dead has pled guilty to his apparent murder. James Hutchinson is believed to have been killed in February of this year. Police documents showed that Brittany Gosney confessed to driving her 3 children to a wildlife preserve about half an hour from their Middletown, Ohio home in an attempt to abandon all 3. She reportedly said that James clung to the car door as she was driving away and that he was dragged or run over by the car. She then admitted to putting James's body in the car with his siblings and keeping his remains there for about another day before she and her boyfriend allegedly drove across the state border to Indiana and tossed his body into the water. The boy's body has not been found. WKBN reports that Gosney pleaded guilty to 1 count of unclassified murder in the death of her son. She has also pleaded guilty to 2 counts of endangering children. It is unknown at this time if Gosney is expected to provide information in the search for her son's body as part of any plea agreement. A reporter for WBCO said in a Twitter post that Gosney said she gave up and admitted to committing the crime. The body of 6-year-old James Hutchinson still has not been recovered. So in this document that I got from a family member today, it basically says what she pled to, which is unclassified murder and 2 counts of endangering a child. So the minimum sentence is 15 to life for the murder charge and 36 months for each of the other 2 charges. I'm not really sure. I don't have a document. I know what the family told me, what James Hamilton has pled to also. So I'm not really sure. I haven't seen a document for that. So I will bring you that in a separate story whenever I see it. She is going back to court on September 13th for her sentencing. So we'll see what she gets. I personally hope that the judge throws the book at her. This was an absolutely horrendous case. Horrendous. The thought that the minimum is 15 years is such a gut punch. In my opinion, this should have been a death penalty case, and she should absolutely be getting 2 life sentences because this little boy was 6. Like I said earlier, I talked to the family today. You know, there's definitely a lot of mixed emotions. They're relieved that they're not going to have to sit through a trial, but, you know, they still don't have that little boy to bury, you know, and that's so rough. So keep his family in your prayers. And then the rest of this video is all going to be about James because that's what's important. I got the pictures from the birthday party that they had for him. And when I say they, the family member that I've been talking to is on his dad's side of the family. James was an only child on his dad's side of the family. So that's who I've been talking to. I've been told that James has 2 siblings, older siblings, are currently with Brittany's sister, and that looks like that adoption is going to go through. That's where they're going to be permanently placed. So without further ado, here's the good pictures.